After completing 12th, many students feel confused about their future. Some are preparing for NEET, some are not interested in it at all. And many are worried because they do not see clear options beyond MBBS or nursing. But the truth is, healthcare today is not limited to becoming a doctor or working in hospital. Let me tell you something very important, guys. Healthcare has changed a lot in the last few years. Today, many healthcare jobs are completely laptop-based, and you can start preparing for them right after you finish your 12th or the PUC. You do not need NEET for these roles. You do not need to work with the patients directly, and you definitely do not need to stand in the hospitals for long hours. Now let me clearly explain the options and the actual job roles so you know exactly what kind of work people do. One of the most common and in-demand option is medical coding. In medical coding, the professional reads the doctor's report and converts them into standard medical codes. The job role here includes the medical coder, junior medical coder, coding analyst, and later the senior coder or the auditor. Your work involves reviewing the case sheet, assigning the ICD and the CPT codes, and ensuring accuracy as per guideline. This job is completely system-based, and many professionals later on move to the work-from-home roles. If medical coding sounds interesting to you, pause for a second and comment coding below. Our subject experts can help you out. Another strong option is clinical research. Now, this does not always mean the hospital work. There are many laptop-based roles such as the clinical trial assistant, the clinical research coordinator, the non-patient role, regulatory affair executive, and the clinical data associate. In these roles, you work on the trial documents, regulatory submissions, study data, and report. You support the global clinical trials, but your work is mainly the documentation, coordination, and data handling. If you're more interested in research, reports, and global project, comment clinical research below. Next is the drug safety, also called as the pharmacovigilance. This is very transparent and structured role. Typical job title here includes the drug safety associate, pharmacovigilance executive, case processing associate, and safety data reviewer. Your work involves reviewing the adverse event reports, entering the data into safety database, and preparing the safety narratives. This is a pure desk job and one of the fastest growing laptop-based medical career in India. If you are interested in computers and biology together, then bioinformatics is another option. Here, the job role includes the bioinformatic analyst, research data analyst, genomic data associate, and computational biology assistant. These professionals work on the biological data, research data set, and health analytics using the software tools. The work is technical, future-oriented, and almost entirely computer-based. Now, one honest and very important point I want to be clear about, guys. These jobs do not come automatically just because you choose a course. Companies look for the practical skill, training, your exposure and expertise, and understanding of how the industry works. That is why job-oriented training, internships, and placement guidance matters a lot. So if you are someone who has completed 12th and you want a medical career without NEET, without hospital duties, and with laptop-based work, these options are genuine and achievable. So if you want to know which role suits you the best based on your background, comment your 12th stream below. Our team will guide you on the right path based on your background. And if this video helped you, like, share and subscribe so more students can make informed career decisions.